Hey guys, welcome to a new video where I'm going to test the newest OpenAI model, and that is GPT-4o Mini. OpenAI released this model yesterday, and I want to see how well it stacks up inside of a conversational setup with chatbots or AI bots, however you want to name them, compared to other, basically compared towards the other GPT models. So what I've done, I set up a really simple test flow, as you can see here, where I have a chat completion and a reply. And I'm basically just going to loop around to have a really simple conversation. Inside the chat completion itself, if we are going to take a look, you will see that I have a system message. So a little bit more context about who this AI needs to represent, which is myself. So you are Mark, the founder of the Chatbot Marketing Accelerator membership. You are to reply to the user using only the below business information and guidelines. Then I have some information about the membership. And then I have some guidelines as well. You can pause the video to basically copy over all the guidelines to have a similar effect like mine, or you can just implement your own instead, right? But it is important inside of a prompt that you have a persona, you have a role, you have context for the AI, so business information or a conversational flow, and then also some guidelines on how it needs to react. Under the messages, I just have the system variable last text input, and then a sample data. Remember, history is set to yes to give a little bit more context, right? And then we have the model. And as you can see here inside of UChat, at least, we already have a new standard model, which is the newest one, that is GPT-4 Mini. But let's first test a few other ones as well, right? So let's go first with GPT 3.5, and let's go with the turbo model. So that was one of the initial conversation models, and it worked pretty well. If you needed to add more logic inside the system message, it is not the best model, but it worked really well for conversational replies. Then for the max tokens, since I don't have that much context, I will leave it at 200, temperature 0.4, which is the sweet spot for me. And then let's see, the rest I will leave as is. Of course, I'm going to map the reply. So if we're going to take a look here, test request, you'll see that under the messages, under the choices, message, and then content, this is the newest reply from the AI, which you can then map. I mapped it towards the AI response. And then, of course, I'm going to display that inside of the conversational text window. So first, let's make sure that I don't have any bot users open at the moment. I believe I deleted everything. Yes, I did. So let's go towards the flow and let's preview it. Let's see if we can have a nice conversation with this model. So this is the 3.5 turbo model, right? So it should give a little bit of an introduction, as you can see here. Hey there, I'm Mark, the founder of the Chatbot Marketing Accelerator. I'm super passionate about helping people like you discover the amazing impact conversational marketing can have on your business. How can I help you today? So just to make sure that I did have 3.5, as you can see, 3.5 turbo, which is perfect. So let's say, hey Mark, how are you doing? So let's just have a little bit of a conversation, right? Okay. Perfect. I am doing well. I am looking at your membership and want some more information. Can you tell me more about it? Right? Just a little bit of a small talk. Let's see how fast it replies. There we go. So absolutely, I'm glad you're interested in the Chatbot Marketing Accelerator. Inside the membership, you will get access to present and all future premium chatbot templates focused on the UChat platform, all my mini apps built on UChat, advanced. So it's a really good looking way, right? Good looking reply. It's a fantastic way to gain an edge in the industry and position yourself as an authority. Plus, if you join today, you can grab a $400 discount on a one-time purchase for lifetime access. So that's really good. So let's say, can you give me the link? to join. So let's see if we can give it. Okay, perfect. Join here. Let's see if it has the correct page. And it does have the correct page, so that's good. So this reply is a really good conversational reply, right? Let's switch it up and let's go with the GPT-4. GPT-4, and let's go with the turbo model. Let's test it if I filled everything in correctly, and it should also get a reply. Perfect. Let me delete the bot user. So let's delete the bot user that was just created to start fresh again, to make every test, every comparison a new one, right? Really similar. So let's refresh the page. And then let's take a look at the preview window. What kind of reply do we get right now with the GPT-4 Turbo? So this bundle is a little bit more costly, but you have a similar, you have a similar kind of reply. Hey there, I'm Mark, the guy behind the Chatbot Marketing Accelerator. I'm here to help you boost your business with some killer chatbot strategies. That's a really nice way of having that introduction. Whether you're curious about our premium templates, workshops, or need a bit of one-on-one coaching, I've got you covered. Let's say, hey Mark, how are you doing? Let's see how it replies back, right? There we go. Anything exciting on your end? Maybe something I can help you with in the world of chatbot marketing. So the reply here is already a little bit more conversational, right? To basically explain the AI is doing good, and then also asking how the user is doing and a little bit more. So let's say doing good, was looking at your membership and wanted to know a bit more. Can you give me more information? So similar question. I will try to do that with each model to see what we get back, right? So there we go. Awesome to hear you're doing well. I'd love to tell you more about the Chatbot Marketing Accelerator. It's designed to give you everything you need to excel. Okay, so that's nice. A really nice list format. That's also good. It's a great way to get an edge in the industry. Plus, if you sign up today, there's a $400 discount on lifetime access. So let's say, can you give me the link to join? So let's do that. Okay, join now. Don't forget, if you sign up today, you'll snag that $400 discount on your lifetime access. So that's a nice call to action. Let's see if the link is also working properly. So it is. Great. Let's switch it up with a different model, right? And instead of the GPT-4 Turbo, let's go with the GPT-4o and then -mini. Let's see if this model, which is way cheaper than all the other models, up to 60% even cheaper than 3.5 Turbo, also has similar replies, because that means that we could use that model instead, reduce our token costs greatly, and still provide the exact same experience for users, right? So let's delete the bot user again. There we go. Let's go back, refresh the page, and then preview it again, just making sure that I have the correct model mapped. Yep, it is the correct model. Great. So let's preview. So let's see what kind of introduction that we get, if it's just as conversational, and take it from there. Hey there, I'm Mark, the founder of the Chatbot Marketing Accelerator. I'm super excited to help you discover how conversational marketing can really boost your business. How can I assist you today? Let's say, hey Mark, how are you doing? So that's the first one. You can see it's already much faster as well. Hey, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? What's on your mind today? So it's not directly basically pushing towards the selling of products, right? But it's more conversational already, so I do like that aspect. Let's say doing good here was looking at the membership and was hoping you could give me some more information. So let's see what it comes up with, right? And it's really fast. I did not even expect that. So absolutely, I'm glad you're interested in the Chatbot Marketing Accelerator. Inside the membership, you will get access to present and future chatbot templates focused on the UChat platform, my mini apps built on UChat, advanced workshops covering a wide range of conversational marketing topics, one-on-one coaching, and an exclusive Facebook community group. I need to change that towards Discord because Facebook I archive basically because of the many limitations there. But it is really well formatted. It's a fantastic way to get ahead in the industry and establish yourself as an authority. Plus, if you join today, you can snag a $400 discount on a lifetime access purchase. Let me know. Okay, let's say link please, so I can sign up already. There we go. So let's see if I can give the link. Okay, of course you can sign up for the Chatbot Marketing Accelerator using this link. Don't forget you can grab your $400 discount if you sign up today. Let's see if that also works, and that works as well. So you can see when testing a few different kinds of AI models. So I tested 3.5 Turbo, which was pretty much one of the elite conversational models when it first came out. And it was pretty inexpensive. Then GPT-4 came out, which was a little bit more expensive, but it had more functionalities. And now GPT-4o came out about a few weeks ago, I believe, which is good. But for me, the conversational replies were a little bit less. And now with yesterday's release with the GPT-4o mini model, you can really see that the conversational reply does not seem any less than the other models, right? So we are free to use these kinds of models in order to create a really conversational experience between the user and your business, which is great because again, it's 60% cheaper than 3.5 Turbo even, right? And 3.5 Turbo was already pretty cheap, pretty inexpensive in comparison with the GPT-4 models. And now GPT-4o Mini even beats that by over 60%. So if you did enjoy this video, do consider dropping a like because it will help me out letting more people know about these conversational videos and hopefully help them inside of their business automations as well. If you want to receive more notifications about these kinds of videos, do press that subscribe button as well. And you will see many more of these kinds of comparison videos, more tips and tricks about conversational marketing in general on this channel. I'm aiming to release 2 to 3 new videos each week. I hope you enjoyed this video again, and I wish you a great day. Take care, and I'll talk to you really soon.